A good day. So for today's video, Hanabishi hand mixer. So hand mixers for around 3,098 pesos only. 2.8 liters and then 300 watts with mixing bowl, at the same time 5-speed motor with self-rotating mixing bowl. So ayun, umiikot yung bowl niya guys ng sarili niya. So ayan, sa Hanabishi hand mixer. So medyo hindi siya ganun ka handy guys, no? Medyo malaki siya ng konti. Yan, baka magustuhan nyo lang po. So, Hanabishi hand mixer. Ayan, sa halagang 3,098 pesos na lang. So, 2.8 liters, 300 watts with mixing bowl and 5-speed motor with self-rotating mixing bowl. Ayan. Yan guys, oh. So, hand mixer. Baka kailangan nyo ng hand mixer guys, ah. So, follow me for more appliances tips, info, and guide. Marion TV, thank you.